Good morning, everybody. CCTV. It is what's today's date? The 8th? Oh, today is the 9th. I'm in Alaska, Arctic Village, and we're looking straight north. And I see what looks like the sun kind of comes up and then goes down. Watch. Kind of comes up in the north, then goes back down. That's all I got to say about that one. Anyways, welcome to my hunt. And yeah, I'm out here working. Yeah, I'm showing old videos. Some of you guys have never seen my 2017, 2018 masterpiece. They've actually upgraded some of my old stuff to 2K. I don't know why, but anyways, keep watching. Good morning. Happy Wednesday, I guess. If it's Wednesday, it's hump day, and I'm over the hump. Okay, yesterday was a terrible day. Today is a great day. Good morning, good morning. I'll be back. As we move along here, I'm turning to the northeast at Arctic Village. It looked like the sun was going down. It came up in the north, and all of a sudden, here it is. A nice big ring around it, going straight up. But right here, you see how that turns that purplish in the popcorn clouds? Well, those are other planets moving around. Let's watch it again. So it was at the north, it came up and looked like it was going down. Okay, now here's the northeast. It just kind of diminishes, gets bright behind this cloud, I guess, and pops up. So the sun rose at 5 o'clock. Well, actually started rising at like 3:30, and then you see all that purple planet activity. Keep watching. Now I'm in Chalk Stick. I'm probably saying it wrong, but we're in the north. And we see here around 3 o'clock in the morning, 6/9, the sun rises north directly, actually northwest a little bit, on the left side of the page. And then you got these awesome clouds that come through, and you know, we could stop a few of them, check them out. You see the ring? So you see debris clouds right there, debris clouds. You see the planet up there on the right, that odd color. Watch it again. I'll slow it down. Well, I'm actually not going to slow this down too much because you guys know. A lot of you guys know. You see it. You explain it to the other people that are going, what is he showing us? It's not just clouds, guys. If you look at the Samuel Hoffman diagram, I'll show you in a minute. You'll see what I'm talking about. And what I'm showing you here is Chucky Stick east sky. And you watch how the sun comes in. Now keep your eye on this right hand corner. See up here. I'm gonna go through this a couple times, but you got to spot the, you know, there's a lot of debris. Now this is the sun coming in from the north, way up high. I always thought the sun rose in the east personally, even in Alaska, but you know, you can see the gray planet. You can see the different types of clouds right there. Those are planets going over right there. Early in the morning, they're hanging out on the right of the sun. Alright, let's continue our journey. That's east. Let's see what else we can find. So now we're in the southwest. That's the only one that's showing us. And this is some of the activities that's up high in the right hand corner. You'll see these system clouds with my mouse. And they got that round shape. These elongated ones, a lot of that's the debris clouds. They're getting closer. You know, a lot of it's just clouds, a lot of it's chemtrails. Oops, say chemtrails. They're going to mark me now for chemtrails. Anyways, it gets interesting. Now we're in Stony Rapids, east. And this is about 5 o'clock in the morning on. Look at that planet. I think that's ethicity. I don't know, it could be Nibiru. It's pretty blue. Kind of green though. That's the OCG clouds spread out. You'll see that in a lot of the Canada cameras. You'll see this big ball coming down. Sometimes it looks like a sack of clouds. That's the planet. It is. So now we're facing southeast. And you see how big the planets are. They extend all the way across the sky. You see the popcorn type of clouds. You see right, you can see it's just pocketed right in there. And it creates these space clouds. A lot of them are really high up, especially on the end there when it gets bluer. Some clouds are way high up right here. Right there, they're way high up, way high up. That's about all I'm showing today on this, is just a few planets. See what else I can find. See now, we're looking Buffalo Narrows northeast right now. This is pretty sky. It's pretty, just the colors. But you see the types of clouds, and I'm going to show you some types of clouds over different skies. You can see how the planet is laid in from a Samuel Hoffman model. So these are especially pretty to where they look like popcorn or like cotton candy, and they got stripes. It's all signatures of planets moving. And I'm paying attention to the sun, but you see that reflection right there? That's pretty interesting. Remember, we're facing northeast. We started out watching the sun come up in the north, right? Northeast. Lots going on here. Take it in, slow it down. Now right now we're looking at Buffalo Narrows southeast. I want you to look at the stripes and the popcorn skies. See the stripies? These are all indications. Now this is southeast, so the sun's heading from the left. But you can see the activities of the planets on the right. The different, the bowl shape. You got the different fingers going up. There's just different planets rolling in. They have different effects on the sky. Seriously. Too easy. Now here we find ourselves in North Battleford. North. And what I'm pointing out here is, see how as the day starts, see how this different activity like this is curvature? This is not like normal in every place you go. And wherever I go, you get this curvature with these popcorn clouds, stripy clouds like I'm showing you. And I'm trying to show you that it's the signature of the planets. This is dirt on the lens. It's not dark anything, but just the curvature. Okay, got that curvature. Now this one right here, we're in North Battleford, but we're direct east. So we watched the sun rise in the northeast on this one. North when we first started the video, but look at the curvature. It's not the camera. Camera don't select popcorn skies. See the popcorn stripes and all that? All planet activity. And what you see in the different light sources, a lot of times it's the moons, it's the sun simulators. You don't know what it is, but see, they're hiding it pretty good. But you see the curvature? The fingers going up and the stripes going sideways, and it's all like a ball upside down. Come on, the bottom of a salad bowl, right? Big old bowl. There's your sign right there. And you start seeing that, start taking pictures, because you got the whole system floating around. Now, if I could look above that, I would see more. Let's continue. Now this is North Battleford south, but I want to show you the system's so big, every side of it's showing these round. It ain't the camera, it ain't the skies, it's just too much of the stripes, the popcorn, the cotton candy look. And you compare them to my charts and my models I've been following, we're right on the money here. This is a pretty big capture right here. I mean, this thing is, so you got to understand, it's not like sitting 3 inches from the earth. This thing is between the sun and us, but it's 7, 10 times bigger. People have different opinions. Some say 17 times bigger, but that means the cloud effects and stuff is from the electromagnetic fields going on and the vibrations. Some people say, well, it's HARP. HARP could be trying to push it away. I don't know. But you know, you're looking at that same structure. I'm going to slow this down and freeze frame. Those three lights up there could be the asteroids. But there is a bunch of asteroids that travel with it in the OCG, and they're illuminated. So anyways, that's the end of this one. I'm going to put the music on it, do a little air editing. This is all live I'm doing right now this morning on Wednesday at 7:30, 8 o'clock in the morning. Live. I'll talk to you guys later. Subscribe, like, and if you want to donate, there's a PayPal button on the bottom. I prefer PayPal, or just go for it. God bless you people. Talk to you later. Hasta la vista, baby.